In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products from Alibaba to Shopify. We'll move step by step from creating your accounts to sourcing a product, connecting the right app, importing items, polishing your product details, setting up shipping and payments, and finally publishing your listings. Start by creating your accounts. Go to Alibaba.com and sign up for a buyer account so you can contact suppliers and view detailed listings. Then head to Shopify.com and create your Shopify store. Once your store is set up, log into your Shopify admin dashboard so you're ready to connect everything later. Next, find a product on Alibaba. Use the search bar to look up the item you want to sell and apply filters that match your niche. Prioritize safety and reliability by checking for the trade assurance and verified supplier badges on each listing. These indicate the supplier has passed Alibaba's checks and your payment is covered under Alibaba's protection program. Carefully review images, descriptions, minimum order quantities, processing times, and shipping terms. Make sure the product photos are clear and that the description is accurate enough to base your store listing on. Now connect Alibaba to Shopify. In your Shopify admin, open the Shopify App Store and search for Alibaba Dropshipping App or D. Sears Alibaba Integration. Click Add App, then follow the prompts to install and grant permissions. You'll be asked to connect or sign into your Alibaba account so the app can pull product data into Shopify. Once connected, browse products directly through the app interface. When you find an item you like, click Add to Import List. Repeat for any products you want to test. When you're ready, open your import list, review the selections, and click Import to Store. The products will now appear in your Shopify catalog. Edit your product details before going live. In your Shopify dashboard, go to Products, then All Products. Update the title to something customer-friendly, rewrite the description to match your brand voice, and refine tags for search. Replace or reorder images so your best photo is first. Adjust your selling price to include shipping costs and your desired profit margin. Set up shipping and payment. Go to Settings, then Shipping and Delivery to configure your rates and zones. Connect Shopify payments, PayPal, or other gateways so customers can check out smoothly. Finally, test and publish. Preview your product page to confirm the images, variants, pricing, and shipping rates look correct. When everything is ready, set the product to active to publish it to your store. That's it. You've added products from Alibaba to Shopify and prepared them for sale.